Welcome! In this tutorial, we will explore how to rename a document in Google Drive on your PC, especially with the latest updates. Renaming files is crucial for keeping your digital workspace organized and efficient. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. Ensure you are logged into your Google account, as this is necessary to access your documents. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the document you want to rename. You can either scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top of the page to find it quickly. Once you spot the document, move to the next step. Now that you have found your document, click on the 3 vertical dots next to it. This action will open a context menu with several options related to that file. From this menu, click on Organize. This option allows you to manage various aspects of your document, including renaming it. After selecting Organize, you will see the option to rename your document. Click on this, and a text box will appear with the current name highlighted, ready for editing. Now, it's time to enter the new name for your document. Make sure that the new name is descriptive enough so that you can easily identify it later. Once you've typed in the new name, simply click on OK or press Enter on your keyboard. Congratulations! You have successfully renamed your document in Google Drive. The new name will be displayed immediately, making it easier for you to find and manage your files in the future. To recap, here are the steps we covered. 1. Open Google Drive at drive.google.com. 2. Find the document you want to rename. Click on the 3 dots next to it. 4. Select Organize. Click on Rename. 6. Enter the new name and click OK. By following these simple steps, you can keep your Google Drive organized and ensure that all your documents are easily identifiable. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Google Drive.